Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you the new Papercraft Society card making monthly kit for the month of September 2020. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is what the box looks like, and let me show you over here their hashtag, just in case you want to upload some of your own projects in your social media. And this is the website, and I'm going to leave you with my affiliate link in the description area right underneath this video. And this particular card making kit was put together by Miss Christina Griffiths. Yay! And so let's take a look at this folder. Upon opening the folder, and I'm so excited because I can tell you right now that I love it because of the packaging. And let me turn it this way. Now it says, don't forget to share your makes with us. And there's the hashtag once again, Papercraft Society. And oh, I'm so excited. And it says, don't be afraid to snip into die cuts for a different look. That's right. Oh my gosh, it's all fall. I love it. Okay, so over here we have the dies, and I hope that you get a good look at these. And I can't wait to play with these. And yes, we have a fall wreath, and it looks like leaves here. And I think this is a leaf as well. And we have some whatchamacallit, some of these, I forget what they're called. But what I like about their kits is that not only do you get the stamps, sorry about the glare, but oops, that isn't any better, is it? Not only do you get the stamps, but you also get the dies, some of the dies, to die cut your stamped images with. So that is very helpful. And let me go ahead and take a look at the papers that we get in here. This is such pretty packaging. I just love their packaging. And it's a very useful trifold. Maybe we can do something with this later on. And so you're going to get specialty paper, and you're going to get the designer paper. Let's take a look. Ooh, I see some cutouts. Yeah. And so let's take a look at the designer papers first. And there we go. And we are getting fall designs. And oh my gosh. And this is really good quality paper, y'all. Yeah, I'm holding it. I'm tapping on it right by my microphone so y'all could hear. It is not flimsy paper. And look how pretty. I love these soft fall designs. And we have some leaves and more leaves. Oh, I love this green. And look at the maple leaves. I love that. I love. And yes, we do have some cutouts. How exciting. Look at these. And they're foiled. Here, so you can get a good look at these pieces. There you go. And here is another set. Isn't that lovely? I love it. And over here we have the specialty papers. And let me get these out of the bag. And we have this mirror cardstock, but it's textured gold mirror cardstock. I hope you get a good view of it right there. And we have we have two pieces, and we also have rose gold. Yay! We also get the rose gold. Oh gosh, I hope it's picking up on it. I don't think it's picking up on it too well, but trust me, this is, let me see how else. It's so hard to do these kinds of video unless you have very expensive equipment. But look at that. It is so super pretty. So we have the gold and we have the rose gold. And so, yeah, let me go ahead and put this back in the trifold. So Oh my goodness, I can't wait to play with this. So let me just stick these in here. And let's keep looking. That's one. And then we have more over here. And I just love the way they package everything. And here is a 20% off any card making magic purchase in August. Okay, and this is the code, y'all. And I will go ahead and leave you with Christina Griffiths product links in the area right underneath this video. But look, that is the code that you want to use. And so let me open this up and see what else we get. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yay. Okay. Let me take this. Let me put that to the side. And we are going to get some buttons. There we go. Some beautiful wooden buttons. And okay, that's not a toy. We're also going to get some ribbon. Nice satin ribbon. We get some paper doilies. There we go. There's quite a few of them in there. Just like so. That's the design. And we are going to get some ink as well. How neat is that? Okay, so I guess, here, let me just rip this open like so. I like how they give you the ink pads. You know, sample ink pads. This is purple. Oh, and it opens up like this. Well, you can't really tell much from that, but these are the colors that you're going to get. And look at that. How pretty. And you're going to get, what is this? A little sparkle makes all the difference. Here's a kind of like a card with tips, I suppose, from Christina. And you also get a magazine. Their magazine that they include in the Papercraft Society that pretty much, let's see, this is Christina posing with her box, and it gives you information and information on the designer plus card making ideas. Look how pretty. Look how pretty. All sorts of card making. Look at this. You can make a dress with the doilies. How fun. And it tells you a little bit about Christina. And here's a picture with the other designers. And look at that. How pretty is this? So yes, you get this. And what else do we have? We have coordinating cardstock. So let me, I love these papers. I don't want to, here, hang on just a second. I've just got to reach for my scissors. Okay. And the coordinating cardstock, you're going to get 2 orange and 2, I want to say this is mauve. It's kind of like purple, but then again, it's not. I think it's mauve, but it's not red. It lends itself more towards it leans, I should say, towards the purple family. So anywho, this is the Papercraft Society for the month of September, and I'm going to go ahead and leave you with that code in the area right underneath this video, and also the links to these. That way, if you want to make any card making magic purchase for the month of August, you can use that code and get 20% off, and please use my affiliate links, and that helps out my channel and my website a lot, and my giveaways and everything else. Thank you so very much for watching. Click on the bell icon. That way you'll be notified the next time I upload a brand spanking new video, and I can't wait to get started on these. I'll see you once again real soon. Thank you for watching. Bye. Allá